Today we're going to learn how to add your remote control to the app. Please make sure you have the remote control next to your phone, and now let's click onto the home zone. You now can add a fireplace remote control. Press the top right hand plus button. The app will search for Bluetooths that are connected to the remote control. In this instance we're using WB2-I000000. You can now choose what sort of fireplace you are connecting. In this case I'm selecting fireplace. I'm going to name my fireplace living room. The serial number is optional, and the company you purchased from is where you bought the fireplace from. Once you've entered all the fields, press the Connect tile down the bottom. The app has now found the remote control. Click on the living room tile. The app is now connected to the remote control. You can see down the bottom you have on button, off button and thermostat button, battery and a settings wheel that's currently not highlighted. To turn the fireplace off, press the off button. To turn it on, press the on button. To use the thermostat mode, you touch the thermostat button. If it's greyed out, the thermostat is not on. If you click it and it's blue, the thermostat is now in operation. If I decide to drop the temperature, the app will turn the remote control off. On the left hand side there's an inside temperature button, and that is saying 73 degrees. So if I want to heat my room to 77, the app will turn the fireplace on and it will heat to 77 degrees and turn off by itself. The outside temperature is measuring the temperature of where you're being located. Okay, that's it. To go back, press the top left hand button and you can now add another fireplace if you have more than one remote control that is Bluetooth enabled.